Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. My people, my viewers, my subscribers all over the world, Jamaica, anyone a day. You know what I say right now? You see, when you have assets, you must protect it. You understand? And I'm not talking about assets meaning merchandise or anything like that, my people. But I'm talking about people itself. You know what I mean? Because some of our legendary people, you know what I mean, foundation people, we don't protect them enough in Jamaica. We don't protect them, my people. And you know why I say if we protect them? Because when I do protect them, my people, the younger generation will know about these assets. You understand? Well, my viewers and subscribers, right now people have a sad story to talk about. You understand? And it is really sad, it's really touching, my people. Because yesterday, my viewers and subscribers, which is Monday, March 27, 2023, my people, a very sad news, a very sad incident unfold down at Ocho, Jamaica, my people, in our park with them calling them Great Pan. So, a body was discovered, my people, in this community called Great Pan, my people. And them said this body was discovered at a shop, you know what I mean, in the land area of a shop, my people. And when them check, it's a female, my people. And them say she's in her early 70s. You understand, my people? And when them do the checks and investigation by police and the body was identified, my viewers and subscribers, her name is Dorothy Russell. Dorothy Russell, my people, where a lot of people call her Dar. In the end, my viewers and subscribers, after more checks and investigations was done, they discovered that Miss Russell, my people, was a big time Jamaican entertainer, artist in the 70s. A big old song, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Big song. Go over there on YouTube and thing, my people. Big tune. And basically, my people, she was the golden voice. Her voice was, me I tell us, my people, a Songbird. Because a lot of them singers that we hear from the, you know what I mean, in the 70s and 80s, so them do talk about my people. Them voice that they near Miss Russell. But the sad thing about it, my viewers and subscribers, lot of people, even people who see her on a daily basis, my people who dare on her, and for people like me, myself, I never know about Miss Russell until the sad passing of her, my people. And this is why I said we must protect our assets in Jamaica. You understand? We must protect our foundation entertainers, our legendary entertainers. Because if they did set up a plan, you know what I mean, for someone like Mrs. Russell or Miss Russell, honestly, I would have known about her, my people. And it's not just Miss Russell. You have a lot of artists out there, same way. And only when them dead, we hear about them, people. Or we know about, say, these artists them did exist. You know what I mean? And we hear some song and them say, them did sing this a song and this and that, my people. Because we don't hear nothing and we don't do nothing, my people. But sadly, my viewers and subscribers, Miss Russell, you understand? She's gone. So, them say right now the police are doing more investigation. So them now release the statement. We say if foul play involved, you know what I mean, if someone responsible for her death, but them say them have a person, you know what I mean? If you look a questioning pertaining to whatever, but them still a check, my people. Huh? My viewers and my subscribers have listened to her song. You know what I mean? As I'm telling you, in the 70s, yeah man, she released the song, my people, and yo, it's a beautiful song. Her voice, my people, I'm saying, that's why me saying, you know what I mean? The Songbird, Jamaican Songbird, my people, because, yo, she sounds so sweet, she sounds so nice, and I've seen her doing a little performance, my people, you understand? So, the performance that she do is when she up in her age and thing, and I'm telling my viewers and subscribers, she don't lose nothing from the voice. She sounds sweet, Oh my gosh, Mr. She sound good. Our government of Jamaica, the people and Minister of Entertainment, what you all need to do is do some checks, do some research, and find our entertainers, our missing entertainers, our legendary entertainers, what we not hear nothing about. We need to search, we need to find them, and we need to start showcase these people. And don't wait till when them gone and we come and put up some plaque with them picture and come and talk about go attend funeral and come and talk about we heard about the sad passing of such. They were there living every single day of them life. You understand? Some of them have it rough, have it tough, some of them suffer. I don't want to judge and say Miss Russell was suffering. You understand, Miss Dorothy Russell? I don't want to say that. I don't know of her living condition. But there's a lot of our legendary entertainers. Them not live good right now, my people. You understand? And that's why they're shame to talk and say, look here, I was a big entertainer. I did this song. Them shame to talk, them not talk. Because them feel so bad in themselves. You know what I mean? My country, our government, you understand, all our ministers, come on, let's do better. Let's do better, my people, let's do better. When I've seen the comments and people I say, yo, I've been around Miss Dar, and honestly, I never knew that she, you know what I mean, have them nice songs. I never knew. You know what I mean, my people? We need to dig back, you know what, with foundation things them. You know what I mean? We need to go back and reel up, you know what I mean, and showcase these talent that we got. Because people, they are very important assets to our country, no matter what. So for all of them new entertainers who come and feel like say, yo, them are the man, they are the top one, and them are run things. Look here, and them people are paved way for you know. You understand? That's why we have to respect our ancestors. And we have to respect our foundation people. You get me? We have to always remember, say, yo, at them PF, no matter how the style of music has been changed, you now do the trap dance, you now do this, you now do that to the culture music. You understand? From rock steady to all type of genre of music. But these are the people who paved the way. You understand? Because remember one time, we never free to do certain things that we want to do. But if it wasn't for these type of people, we couldn't have done nothing right now. So that's why we have to respect them. So what I personally want to do, I want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and friends of Miss Dorothy Russell, and may her soul rest in peace. And I'm just sorry that I never get to know her, you understand, before all of this where she passed away, my people. You get me? I'm just sorry, you know, but it's life, my people. It's life. Because if our people in our country and everybody, they come to boom and I like this lady, of course, lot of us would have known about her, my people. Me, myself, a lot of us would have known about her. You know what I mean? Before she passed and she gone. You know, but alive. But we need to preserve our assets, them. No joke about it, man. And my people, just big up on yourself and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And thank you all for the love and for the support. For every like, every share, every comment. You don't know, see a one team and my people and a one dream and a one scheme. And please remember to do a subscribe, my people. And remember, just follow the IG, follow the Facebook, my people. You don't know the Tingo, follow the Twitter NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, my people. And you don't know, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss for people. Peace out and just stay safe and just do the right thing. R.I.P. Miss Dorothy Russell, our legendary Jamaican Songbird, has passed and has sadly gone. Peace out, my people. I'm out. Attack them NEWLINK. Blessings.